What is up YouTube, Fantasma House, and today we have something a little bit different, not scary, but reflecting the light. You probably hear cars, I'm out in a new shed. But yeah, we got the 6-foot holiday tradition animated LED Nutcracker, Black Friday exclusive. Black Friday exclusive at Home Depot. It's the day after Thanksgiving. I have eaten far too much, so I'm more fat than your normal. Like what I said, Home Depot exclusive. $99. So we have an arm, we have legs, another arm, his head. Pretty cool, LED head, well, LED eyes, it's very cool. We have his base. Whoa, his base is really heavy. Now, makes change because they usually have, you know, the wire kind of thing, there's the metal base, but yeah, this is the base, but it's heavy. So we have the base. Put that down there. Weighted base, it's definitely heavy. We have his torso. Is that it? Oh no! What is that? Oh, his hat. We have his hat. Have his hat. Adapter, color instructions, upside down, color instructions, actually like really easy. Look at those, that's it. Okay, we're gonna see if we can do this. Let's get everything out. Get everything out. It looks actually pretty straightforward. When it's open, it's all going to fit in the camera shot. Okay, so there is the front. Body parts. There's his head, very cool. Very cool head. Look at that. Okay, here we go. Sorry it's on kind of a weird angle and my gut is huge because, like I said, I ate so much food yesterday. Okay, so obviously that's pretty cool. So he just kind of goes in and twists, I'm guessing. That's really cool because this is like completely different than how they normally go. And then this is probably going to be like the easiest. It's not really an animatronic, it is just animated. Just the eyes, so that's probably why it's so easy. There's his body. I'm guessing you put the head on already because that bit just goes in there. Hopefully you can see all this. Okay, then I guess we feed the wires into the neck. He's getting there, isn't he? I'm gonna put his hat on. It's like so easy. I mean, look at the. It just goes in and slots together. Give it a little twist. Oh, doesn't sound too good, does it? Ooh, bit tight that one. Actually, I might put his body on. Okay, now for the body. You hold his face, or give him a twist. Give him a twist. He's cool. Looking good. So arm number 1. I mean, I guess they're all the same. I guess this part needs to go at the front. Where's the instructions going? Yeah, I'm cheating. I'm looking at the instructions. It doesn't actually say how to put the arms on. Oh, maybe I'm putting the wrong arm on the wrong side. Ah, you have to screw it on. So it was right, you just got to screw the arms on. Ta-da, there he is. Let me get a screwdriver to screw them arms on. Okay, hopefully you can see this. Let me put it more in the light if I can. You have a screw here and one there, and obviously screw them in. Obviously I've got the worst one. Screwdriver I can find. Okay, I just found a bit in the box. There's 10 pegs, so I guess you're supposed to have him outside maybe, but I don't know. But anyway, there is a, as we would call in England, an Allen key, which I wonder why the screwdriver wasn't working. Okay, so let's see if I can break that with this. 10 pegs, the little key. I was like, why is it not going in with this? Okay, his arms are on. Let's have a look at his doodads. So all that bit's for. So there's obviously the volume. So that bit goes in there. That bit goes in there. Okay, we got them plugged in. Do like volume, probably halfway. Turn them around. I don't know if he's sensor or what he does. Okay, do your thing. Where is the sensor? Pretty cool. Kind of goes pretty loud, but we don't them that loud. I have 4% battery left, so I'm going to turn them down. And is that it, guys? Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Bit mishmash. Creature says hi, but he's pretty cool. So yeah, see you later.